Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by picking what to watch first and why. Begin with Season 1 for story setup, or Mugen Train after Season 1 for continuity. Once done, select a legal streaming service or buy episodes so you avoid spoilers and get reliable quality. Make sure your device supports HD playback and your internet is at least 5 Mbps. This prevents buffering. Also decide subtitles versus dubbed audio now, so playback language and subtitle settings are configured before you press play. Next, you open the app, sign in, and find Demon Slayer using search or browse. This gets you to the exact episode quickly. Then choose the specific episode or movie. Select 1080p for quality if your bandwidth supports it, or 720p to reduce buffering. Once the video loads, set subtitles and audio track to your preference so you understand dialogue and names. Finally, enable picture enhancements like HDR or cinematic mode if your display supports them to improve contrast and color. Now press play and immerse yourself. You can skip repetitive intros, yet keep important openings for context about characters and stakes. If you encounter buffering, make a quick change. Lower resolution, pause to let content per buffer, or close other devices and apps using your network. Should issues persist, restart the app or device, reboot your router, and clear the app cache to eliminate corrupt temporary files. These steps resolve most playback problems, so you can resume watching with minimal interruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.